Hi all, in this video we'll be doing a certain type of question from the chapter Ratio and Proportion. First question. In 40 liters mixture of milk and water, the ratio of milk and water is 3:1. Find the quantity of water to be added to make this ratio 2:1. How to do such a kind of question? I'll tell you a simple trick in which you can do this without using an unknown value x. So first of all, we write a ratio 3:1. Okay. And when some water is added, it becomes 2:1, right? This is what happens. Now, what we need to do is, we are adding only water here. So the other term should be same, or we are going to make the same. So I'm multiplying these two ratios by 2 and these two terms by 3. So what do you get here? 6:2, and here you get 6:3. So now the ratio between milk and water is this. Okay. So you can multiply with any number. Just make sure one thing. If you're adding water, the other term must be same. If you're adding milk, the other term must be same. So whatever term you are adding, let it vary. The other term, you make it same. Okay. So that's why you multiply these two terms in the ratio with 2 and these two terms in the ratio with 3 to make the net ratio 6:2 was the initial ratio. When some water was added, the ratio becomes 6:3. Okay. Now what is given? In 40 liters mixture of milk and water, which means the initial quantity is 40 liters. So now this 6 plus 2, totally 8 part will be 40 liters. Now what do you need to find out? From 2 part you need to make it 3 part. So you need to find the value of just 1 part. So the answer is 5 liters. Okay, I'll explain again. The initial ratio was 3:1. When some water was added, the ratio became 2:1. So since water is added, the other term should be same. So you are multiplying these two terms with 2 and these two terms with 3 to make the milk term same. You can multiply with any number, just make sure that the milk term here is same because you are adding water. So the initial ratio becomes 6:2. When some water was added, the ratio becomes 6:3. That is, the milk term is same, the water term, let it vary. And now you need to find from 2 part to 3 part how many parts was added. 1 part is added. And make sure one thing, once you do this, now this is your original ratio. Never look back into this previous ratio. This is your new thing and you're going to do just with this. And now 2 to 3, you need to find the value of 1. Total 6 plus 2, 8 part is 40 liters, 1 part will be 5 liters. Okay. We'll see one more question of the same type. In 60 liters mixture of milk and water, the ratio of milk to water is 7:3. Find the quantity of water to be added to make the ratio of milk to water 3:7. It's the same type of question. We can see how to do this. So the initial ratio is 7:3. When water is added, the ratio becomes 3:7. So what to do? Here water is added, so the other term you should make it same. So I'm multiplying these two by 3 and these two by 7. So what is the net ratio now? 21:9 and 21:49. That is, now the milk to water ratio, initially it is 21:9. When some water was added, the ratio become 21:49. So from 9 to 49, you need to find the value of 40 parts. Okay. Now what is given to you? 21 plus 9, totally 60 liters. So 21 plus 9, 30 part will be 60 liters. One part is 2 liters, so 40 part it will be 80 liters. It is as simple as that. So just using that ratio concept which we have discussed earlier, we will be doing this question. Okay. So I hope these two questions are clear. Now we'll see the next type of this question. That is, a mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. If 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. Okay, it's almost the same type but the reverse way. So here, alcohol to water, what is the ratio given? 4:3. When 5 liters of water is added, the ratio become 4:5. Okay, so already the alcohol term here is same. So it is given 5 liters of water is added. So from 2, 3 to 5, 2 part is added. So totally 2 part will be how many liters? 5 liters. You need to find the value of what? Find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixer. So you need to find the value of 4 part. So it will just be 10 liters. 2 part 5 liters. So for 4 part it will be 10 liters. Okay. So we'll see one more of the same type. A mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 8:3. On adding 3 liters of water, the ratio of alcohol to water become 2:1. Find the difference of quantities of alcohol and water in the original mixture. So here initially alcohol to water ratio was 8:3. On adding 3 liters of water, the ratio becomes 2:1. So here, since the alcohol term is not same, we have to make it same. Okay, so what we do, these you need not multiply with any number. Here I have multiplied with 4. So what the ratio becomes 8:3 and here 8:4. That is the alcohol to water initial ratio is 8:3. On adding 3 liters of water, the ratio becomes 8:4. So from 3 to 4, 1 part it will be 3 liters. I need to find the difference of quantities of alcohol and water in the original mixture. So difference of quantities of alcohol and water in the original mixture means this 8:3. So 8 minus 3. So I need to find the value of 5 part. 1 part is 3 liters. So 5 part will be 5 into 3, 15 liters. This will be your answer. Okay. Next question of the same type. A mixture contains wine and water in the ratio 3:2. If 4 liters of water is added to the mixture, wine and water in the mixture becomes equal. Find the sum of quantities of wine and water in the original mixture. So we'll see how to do this. So the initial ratio, it is 3:2. When 4 liters of water is added, it becomes what? Equal. So I can write 1:1 or simply 3:3. When 4 liters of water is added, so here from 2 to 3, one part it will be 4 liters. And I need to find the value of what? Find the sum of quantities of wine and water in the original mixture. So totally 2 plus 3, 5 part. So it will be 20 liters. So is the method clear? Okay, just one more question of the same type. The ratio of number of boys and girls in a school is 2:3. If 200 boys are additionally admitted in the school, the ratio changes to 5:6. Find the difference of number of boys and girls in the school originally. Okay, so how to do this? So the initial ratio of boys to girls is 2:3. If 200 boys are additionally admitted, the ratio becomes 5:6. So here we are adding the number of boys. So what should be same? This term should be same. So I'm multiplying these two by 2. These two need not multiply with anyone or just 1. So the ratio becomes 4:6 and here it becomes 5:6. That is, initially boys to girls ratio is 4:6. When 200 boys are added, the ratio becomes 5:6. So 4 to 5. So one part it will be 200. And what do you need to find out? You need to find the difference of number of boys and girls in the school originally. So it is 6 minus 4. So totally 2 parts. And when you come to this, don't go back to the initial or first ratio. Once you change it, this is your original ratio. So 2 part, answer will be 400. So I hope this one method is very clear and it's a very frequently asked type of question. So in the next video, we can see a different type. Thank you.